Yeah.
Hey guys, so I was about to edit my video, or I was editing my video and realized I did not do an intro for this video. I normally don't end my videos, but I normally start it. So anyways, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, today is basically we're showing you what we did at Young Adults Fellowship. So yeah, I go to church a lot, so you guys will be seeing a lot of church related content. And also, yeah, if you're a Christian, go ahead and subscribe. If you're a Christian, comment down below. I want some Christian friends, so let me know. So yes guys, without further ado, let us get into this video.
Over my soul, as long as I'm on earth. Oh, it is alright, alright. It is alright, alright. As long as I have my Lord beside me, it is alright. Hey guys. 25. Woohoo! It looks like enjoy. Alright, so okay. Oh my God. Emma.
Do 3 somersaults.
On himself.
Basically backflip.
Me can't do backflip. Me can't do front one. Me can't do front one. Back or front. Bench.
Yay!
Of course.
Auntie Angela, when we not when we
She wants.
what we get, what we do.
You want to get something? You want something?
No, sir. If we get a letter, what's our penalty? That one.
You do 2 other. See them there.
Sister Billy wants R.
Yes, Sister Benny. Okay. Walk like a beer for a count of 5.
Me Jesus.
Beer what? Like a beer. You watch it now.
Mommy, that's a monkey, no?
Mommy, and so
I saw their walk when them a go for them.
Oh, yeah, true.
Leave them alone.
I find me done. What's next?
Come chat, your letter.
Give me this one, Penny.
B.
For your C.
Spin around in a circle 5 times.
That's so easy. No. I don't agree.
3, 4, 5.
Too easy.
I got.
Sailor.
Yes, Shay.
But she already seen the money. Oh.
Choose somewhere to find the paper.
You choose for her. You will give her one. Yes, because she had one paper. So.
Yeah,
Oh, the funny.
Andrea give her a tea because she did it like she look at it.
No, I'm not hear that. Please be reminded I'm in a dress.
Please be reminded she's in a dress.
I'm going to give her a C. Up on 1 foot 5 times.
Yes, man.
That's so easy.
Like, go one distance.
Yes.
That's so easy. Do the female one.
You can't do push up, man. Let me do my push up. Let me do my push up, man. You can't pick up this, so you can't count, not true.
This is a record. How much
Okay.
then?
Oh, that one never, yeah. Weird, eh? You're going too tough.
Yeah, Jesus. That is not push up.
And then
It tie and broke.
You don't want to have your price. Come on. Get up. Come on, Toby. I'm a pregnant frog. I'm a pregnant frog. You need to sit up out there. You left out peas. It's like a rubbish. I'm a pregnant frog.
Crawl like a crab for a count of 10.
Our crab crawl.
Side wheel.
Our crab crawl.
Side wheel.
On all fours.
And all four side wheel. And now this shall be interesting. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Go faster.
Pick one.
Yeah, go to
Come,
the one.
Andrea, pick one.
Ride the horse.
Right the horse. Right the horse. For all
I don't know, read it.
Make your pen. Oh, for a count of 15. May I have to move?
So 15. Yes. Go, horsey. Yeehaw. Bupangkan nung cha.
Turn it over so you know
Roll it
flat.
to pass with the end.
Yeah. Roll it. No. Yeah. You're rolling already.
I want that.
You know matter than again a cone.
She balanced long enough.
See there?
She go to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got at least an idea of what we do at our Young Adult Fellowship, and probably get a over the time that we will have like Young Adult Fellowship and Youth Fellowship, that you kind of get like ideas that we normally do, so that you guys can probably copy or something. I don't know.
Advertisement point, guys. So Valentine's is coming. Where's your gift? You need to get it at Paradise Youth. Come now.
Thank you. Link the picture here, guys. But yes, if you would like to buy a gift and you're living in the Croftsville area, or we can ship it.
We do shipping.
We could ship it, but yes, it would actually add on like an extra cost. But if you're in the Croftsville area and you want your Valentine's gift, I'll put what we will have here. I don't remember the entire list, but we'll put them here. So go ahead and contact me. You can even go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, no problem. My Instagram is BashBabyGirl. I'll take orders there as well. So yes, go ahead guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.